All right, just a quick technical note. This is the seal, and you can see it has a ridged, bumped out part and a depression part. The ridge part goes on the bottom, and then your bearing is going to sit down in this depression. And don't forget the O-ring, rubber O-ring that goes around this. It is this part number here. This is the bearing part number. The seal didn't have a part number sticker on it, but you can look it up on the parts diagrams, spare parts diagram PDF you can download from the support section of Beta USA website. All right, that's it. I'm going to put this together. Woo! Okay, I got a lot done today. We have the Boano 48mm forks on, and I put the SKF mud scrapers on here. That's why I have these shields lean forward a little bit, because they're kind of fat. I want to rub it on that. Let's see, notes about this. If you do this, take off your fender, then take off this, then take off this, and then you'll take off your computer. Put it back on in the same order, otherwise it's a complete nightmare. Let's see. Oh, got some little Motion Pro bleeders there on it. I also have some Boano 20 or 30mm risers. I don't know. I'm 6'1", I've got long arms. Hopefully they'll help. Moving back here. I got the shock installed. I got a set sag and all that kind of stuff though. And coming around here, I have the 114 link chain on. It's a primary drive X-ring, and I have 1348 gearing, so it allowed me to move my rear wheel back pretty far, but I still have some adjustment room. This should give me the same wheelbase as the RR or longer. And oh, here's one other thing I found. Let me show my radiator. Okay, you see the thermostat there? It's hard to see right now, but it's been moving forward and bumping into the radiator. It might wear a hole in it, so I'm gonna like loosen stuff and see if I can get that out of the way some. But yeah, that's pretty much what went on here today, and I'll definitely have this ready for this coming weekend, unless I break something putting it back together. All right, talk to you guys later.